Hello everyone, today I have Kenmore Dryer with F01 or F01 error code. So customer complain when they try to turn it on, it does display that error or it won't spin the drum. So when I came here and type for diagnose, I can see that when I try to turn it on or when I press start button, it will just make click sound and the drum won't spin. So this is the control board. When you open the top panel, you will find this main control board. So this is the damage you can see marked in red. That is the motor relay. So motor relay is getting 12-volt power supplies and relay is turning on, but the contacts are damaged, so motor is not getting voltage supply from relay. This is why the drum won't spin. So to solve this issue, we need to replace new relay and fix the control board cracks so it can make good contact and supply power to motor relay. So apply new solder to all the 4 pins of relay, then it will be easy to desolder that solder joint and relay can be easily taken out from control board. So you can see that I'm just desoldering these 4 points of the relay on control board. So once this desoldering process is done, you can see that burn mark on the relay point. So desoldering process is done. Now I will remove the relay and you can see the black spot and the mark on the relay. That was because of a loose contact. It was damaging that control board and also the relay. This is the new relay. You can see when you can compare both relay with that old and new one. So for this we will make new trace on circuit board with a sharp object or tools, whatever you have, just make a good track so you can put new conducting material. Like something I use is from the old soldered fuse or electronic components, but you can just get a copper wire connected from one point to other point. That is what I am doing. So this is how I connected and made new traces so it won't damage again and won't face same issue. This issue I have tackled many times with this type of dryer on this type of control board. The new control board was $400 plus tax. So you can see that once that soldering is done and new traces are already made, so after that we will clean with isopropyl alcohol so there will be no residue and it won't damage the soldering joint. Now everything is done, so we will assemble everything and put this control board on dryer and we'll see if it fix the issue or not. So once the control board is ready, I will go to the customer house and install a control board that we fixed it. You can see the door is open and dryer is not working, so I will turn it on and it started working again. Everything works fine, heat is okay, so problem solved. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video was helpful. Please see link below to find what parts and tools I used to fix this control board. Thank you.